Hello kids! It's Ava. I welcome you in another fun video made by Ophelia to learn the small letter J. Are you ready for another magical journey? Let's get started. Ophelia has chosen a brown color to paint the handles. And now, let's color the other handle. Slow and steady, she paints the handles. Who else is ready to dive into a rainbow of colors? Grab your brushes, little pals. What a fantastic job, kiddo! I see your patience and creativity shining through. Remember, there are no mistakes in art, just happy little accidents, right? Do you see this? She's using a light shade of brown to color the jump rope's handles. Big brushes, small brushes, every brush has its own magic. What's your favorite, kids? Moving on, she is grabbing a light shade of green for the rope. Isn't that interesting? Around the edges, she paints really slow. Can you guess why? You are right. Colors should remain inside the boundaries. Now, let us all just sit and relax and enjoy her painting this masterpiece. She has almost colored the whole jump rope. What do you think, friends? Can you paint a world where the trees are pink and the sky is sparkly blue? Oh, what is this? She is very close to the other handle of jump rope. Jump rope starts with the letter J. J as in jump rope. You all are connecting the dots of learning. Every stroke tells a story. What's your painting telling you today, kids? Now, she finds the white spots in the whole picture. Do you know why? Yay! That is correct. She wants to color perfectly. And now, the letter J itself. Ophelia, you're so impressive. Let's color the small letter J together. Can you guess this color's name? You are right again. It is light brown color. Just few more seconds, kids. She'll write, "Thank you," with so much love. Thanks a lot for watching the video, and please hit like and subscribe if you appreciate her work and what we bring to you every time. See you next time.